Today we have a whale alert for Pepe coin holders, and we are actually seeing Pepe right now looking like it wants to move higher. But I want to discuss some of the whale activity that we've seen from some of the early Pepe coin adopters, some of the big money players in the Pepe coin community that are dabbling with some other coins and playing what we like to call whale games. Now, I believe that we could see Pepe coin go to a $100 billion market cap in this bull market, which is a 10x from here. In fact, it's over a 10x from here at the time of this recording, as we're just kicking the new year off in 2025. Today is January 4th. Let's get into this video. My prediction for Pepe this year and the whale coin info that I want to share, Pepe coin info that I want to share with you guys in this video. Welcome back. Smash a like, subscribe to this channel for more crypto content, and let's hop right into this one. So guys, Bitcoin last night was a little bit higher, and right now it's sitting at $97,700, down a little bit, and Ethereum is actually slightly up on the day. The biggest thing you need to know about the general crypto market right now and the implication for Pepe is that Bitcoin dominance has steadily been coming down over the last week, and right now we do have a daily candle that is wavering on the side of green or red, and I do believe that this is actually going to come a little bit lower. So I want to show you guys, if this comes lower, what can we expect for this Pepe coin price? And at the very moment of this recording, our members are going to see this right when it comes out. If you want to become a member on YouTube, check that out. And then this will be public. And I think we're going to see some upside for Pepe here. And I've got a couple reasons I want to lay out for you guys in this video. So smash a like if you like that. My Pepe coin whale warning. So maybe you guys remember just the other day we talked about how Elon Musk changed his profile picture to a Pepe meme, and it also changed his name on X to Kekius Maximus. Well, on that, what we saw is some Pepe whales actually buy this coin. They bought this coin big league. And you know what happened actually, guys? If we go back to what this meme is doing today, here it is right there, I believe. No, that's not the right one. Kekius Maximus. There you go. That's the right one. If you look at what happened actually to this coin after all this news played out, it came way down. And so what I'm warning to people is these whales with big money, especially the Pepe whales, the Shiba Inu whales, these whales with big money, they're going to play games and they're going to pump some other coins. But what they're going to do most times is usually come back to Pepe or come back to a coin like Bitcoin or just take some profit along the way and cause some volatility. Now, I believe that I don't have a strong feeling about Kekius for this bull market. I'm more focused on Pepe personally. Maybe Kekius does something else, but we've right now got an $8 billion market cap, almost a $9 billion market cap for Pepe. You've got whales with big money, and they can pump coins and then come back to Pepe. I mean, Pepe is up 12% over the last 7 days, and right now on the charts, it's getting a very good move. And what we saw was Pepe whales reaccumulating down here, and, at some point they pumped Kekius, which really is like kind of happened right around this dip right here. And so, you have whales that probably sold some Pepe, bought some Kekius, and made a bunch of money, and then boom, now it's pumping again. Now, here's my alert for you guys today and the price action in the short term. And I've got a strong feeling about Pepe right now for a couple reasons. One, look at the Pepe chart versus the dollar. We had this kind of wedge that really played out beautifully when we broke out to the upside. We broke kind of to the target. If you look at the opening of this wedge and then you measure from the point of the breakout, it's very, very close to what the target is, guys. I mean, this thing went basically to the target, came back down, and then bounced off with a bullish retest off this range and is now coming back up, kind of now forming another wedge. And it's not just the Pepe versus dollar chart where we're seeing this wedge be formed. We're actually seeing it on the Pepe versus Bitcoin chart. So something I'm paying attention to right now at the very moment of this recording is a new wedge, right? And so here's the Pepe versus Bitcoin chart. And I think that you're seeing this new kind of wedge play out for Pepe versus Bitcoin and for Pepe versus the dollar that I want to share with you. So I could actually draw this out for you guys right here. Boom. And say a couple things. So this is Pepe versus Bitcoin. Let's start with this because if Pepe was just to go back up to this range versus Bitcoin, that's a 3.29% move to the upside for Pepe versus Bitcoin. What's funny is my target right now for Bitcoin dominance is that it's probably going to come down to test this blue line at the very least, which is actually look at that, a 3.23% move to the downside. So if Bitcoin dominance moves down 3.23%, then Bitcoin versus Pepe, and guys, it is within 0.3% of each, 0.06% of each other. When and if Bitcoin dominance comes down to the bottom of this range, which I think that it will, it looks like it's going to, not financial advice, I could be wrong, guys, but these ranges are playing out beautifully. It looks like Pepe versus Bitcoin is going to get a bounce here. So what does that mean for the Pepe price? Logically, it means that if we can find another range, that Pepe price is probably going to go back up, and it looks like there is some sort of range playing out for Pepe right here as well. So if we kind of look at this new wedge that I'm peeking at, you could see that Pepe right now is probably due from the current price for a nice 5% move to the upside. Now that's fun for traders. If you want to trade Pepe and you want to take advantage of the volatility, you could sign up for Blowfin and it's really easy to use. You could trade Pepe, you could trade all your favorite memes and do whatever you want to do with that if you want to trade it. And guys, I think that it's probably going to come back up to the top of this range. And logically, guys, if Bitcoin can continue to the upside and get back above 100K and Bitcoin dominance can break below this range, then Pepe's probably going to break above this. And if it breaks above this, then you want to measure the point of breakout. Again, it's about the same size as the last breakout. You could probably easily see Pepe go back to these previous wicks over here and these previous highs at about 4025, let's say. So about 2045 would be my next target for Pepe. Now from here, that is a big move. That is a 20% move for Pepe, and still, it is not at its previous all-time highs. I want to let you guys know that whales will play whale games, pump other coins, but then, Pepe's not going anywhere. It's one of the well-established memes for this bull cycle. It's still 37% away from previous all-time highs. I think that Pepe is going to be an easy way to make some money in this bull market, and there's clearly some easy trading opportunities as well. There's no guarantees that Pepe is going to hold up in this range. You could easily come back down and test the top of this range. But right now, I'm looking at these charts and I'm saying, as long as Bitcoin doesn't fall off a cliff out of nowhere, it looks like Pepe is about to bounce back up to the top of this range and could be a good opportunity for a small, long position. Now, maybe you're not using Blowfin. Maybe you're a big fan of bigger centralized exchanges. Maybe you want to use crypto.com. One thing that I like is if you're trading coins like Pepe on crypto.com, they do have these cool Visa cards where if you don't already have one of these and you're not using crypto.com, you could sign up using a link in our comment section down below. I use these Visa cards from crypto.com to pay for gas. What I do is if I'm making successful trades or taking profit from some of my cryptos, I'll top up my card, whatever the card you want. You can get the card for free. You can get it for $500, $5,000. You get different perks with it, with different cash back rewards on spending. And you get a variety of different perks. If you're interested in something like this and you want a way to spend your crypto after you're taking profit, sign up for crypto.com using our link down below and get one of these Visa cards if you're interested in something like that. I'm very bullish on Pepe. I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities to trade, a lot of profit-taking opportunities in this upcoming year, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing what comes next for Pepe. Guys, that's all I have for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. I want to see this thing move above 100K. If it does, I think we got a very beautiful move ahead for Pepe and the altcoin market. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. I got 2 videos for you right here, guys, if you want to check them out. Nothing in this video is financial advice. As always, I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.